Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So I want to thank you all for your patience. Normally when I post these living room tour videos, I follow up with a part 2 pretty quickly, letting you ladies and gentlemen know where I got everything from. But you know, life happens. I got kind of busy, so we're going to be doing that today. And I'm going to stop talking so we can get started. So I want to thank you guys first of all for leaving so many wonderful comments all over my YouTube channel and Instagram. I really appreciate that. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mizfashionablylate. That way you can see updates to my living room, and you can also see, you know, stylish photos of me, my kid, my dog, and stuff in our house. So let's start over here with Oreo. So Oreo's cute little bed actually came from Ross. Say hi, Oreo. Hello. Her bed is from Ross. It was $15.99. And I just loved it. It's blush. It matches with the rest of the living room decor perfectly. And over here we just have like her little dog food container. That came from Ross as well. And we have this super cute gate. Hi, baby. They say let sleeping dogs fly, right? So we got this gate from Homegoods. I believe it was about $50. And I remember a few years ago when we first got her, I was like, oh my God, I don't want to pay for this. But I'm so happy that I got it because, you know, we literally can like give her some privacy. When we have guests over, she gets a little crazy. So we're able to create a cute and cozy home for her in just a matter of seconds. And then aesthetically, it looks really good. To keep the doggy smell at bay, I just have these cute little like wallflowers from Bath and Body Works, okay? And the scent I have is mahogany apple, which I actually need to change that. So over here, guys, I just have a little like candle wax burner. I got that from Walmart for about $20. And this beautiful vase, I believe it's from Ross. You've been following me for a while now. You guys know I don't take the tag off for nothing, okay? And okay, I'm sorry, it's from Burlington and it was $14.99. And I just put these like little whispery kind of flower things in there. Those were from Hobby Lobby, which is another one of my favorite stores. Over here, I wanted to kind of keep things simple. Just these little gold mirrors. All three of them are from Burlington, I believe. If you want to check out some of my other house tours, I know I remember more specifically where things came from because it was a little fresher on my mind then. So guys, I added, oh, come on, son. There we go. So I added these rose gold colored curtains, guys. Oh my God, I'm so in love with them. The thing I love the most about them is that they actually are, what do you call that? Oh, my mind is drawing a blank. But they have like a thermal panel. They're lined. There we go. They have like a thermal lining in them. So hopefully that helps keep my home really warm this winter. Over here we have lamps from Homegoods. Homegoods is like my favorite place to get home decor stuff from. Super affordable to get things from there. Especially if you're like me and like to change things up a lot. You know, you can get lots of cute things from Homegoods, and that table is from Homegoods as well. Has kind of a shallow drawer. We just have a little bit of junk in there. And what I like is that it's low profile. My living room is very tiny, so it's nice to keep like small furniture in here. So guys, a lot of people have been asking me like, how do I decorate? And honestly, I don't really have a method to my madness. I just like what I like. And my daughter's like, Mommy, you change our house so much. But like right now, she really loves the pink. Loves the pink. And I really love mixing metals. I love silvers. I love gold. I love them together. And I feel like one decorating tip I can give you guys when you want to mix metals is that you just want to make sure the different metals are repeated throughout the room. So you see we have gold mirrors here, and then the gold is repeated in the coffee table, and then also these these pillows, which are from Homegoods, have beading in it, and this beading actually has silver and gold in it again. as well as I have a silver and gold pillow, which came from Hobby Lobby. It's actually just a pillowcase cover. Guys, I love down pillows because they keep their shape. Down, you can fluff it up. They're always gonna like have the same shape or whatnot. So anyway, silver and gold chevron to repeat that silver and gold throughout the room. And then over here we have my TV stand. And guys, I know someone's gonna ask what this is. This is a piece of selenite. So it just gives my home some good energy. And this TV stand is like a silverish gold, you know, and plus it's mirrored, so it helps to really reflect light. Somebody's calling. Anyway, so in my home, I wanted the perfect amount of like bling, but I also wanted things to be super comfortable, and I believe in decorating affordably. So we got this rug from Ross, and it was only $49.99. I had like a beautiful shag in here before, and I decided to go with something lighter just because I wanted the room to feel really bright and sunny, and I wanted to kind of lighten things up a little bit. And just changing your rug will instantly give the room like a different feel. Okay, so we went with that rug. Coffee table is from At Home. I believe it was $200 or less. We got these gorgeous blush colored pumpkins, again with a little silver accent. Those are from Homegoods or TJ Maxx. I went to both stores, not really sure at this moment where I got them from. And then I have this little blinged out like candle holder. This is from Ross. I remember that. Oh, it's $4.99. Candle in there is from HomeGoods. And then on the coffee table, I like to give things a little bit of height. So as you see, everything is not sitting at the same height. We have the pumpkin, which is a little bit taller than the candle holder. And then these flowers I got on clearance from Target years ago. It's actually sitting on a little candle holder. And so I did that just to give the items on the coffee table a little bit of height. Guys, now the other thing I like to do when I'm decorating a home is I like to make sure I mix textures. Now this sofa and chair set I got from Value City Furniture. Favorite place to get furniture from, okay? I got all 3 pieces for $700, brand new. It has gorgeous silver nail head on it. So the nail head instantly makes the furniture look more sophisticated. It gives it a little bit of pop. And then I have like, it's a track arm sofa. So the track arms give it a little bit more of a modern feel. So this piece is actually a mid-century modern design, which is nice because you could go really vintage, or you could also do what I did, and it's kind of like more of a transitional look. So what you want to do is you want to mix textures. So on my couch here, we have a beaded pillow. We have a furry one, we have sequins, so it gives you a little bit of texture versus say I just had all pillows that were just a color. Like I had this cream pillow and then I had a gray pillow. You see how that reads more flat? You know, the texture gives the space visual interest. So you want to kind of give people different things to look at. So that's why I did sequins and fur and beading, and we have pattern. So it gives your eyes something more to look at. And then over here, incorporating texture as well. We'll piggyback on the rug. Remember with the rug, it's a shag, but it also has some pattern in there. So when you start adding elements like that, it just really, really makes the room feel more designer. Now these throws I got for a steal. They were only $16.99. They're super, super soft, and fall time is all about comfort, okay? So I draped these blankets across the couch because it just really invites you to sit down, watch a movie, you know what I mean? And not only are the blankets like, they look good, but they're also functional. They keep you warm, they're cute, and they're soft. They're like a nice like chenille type of fabric. And then over here in this basket, which I got from Burlington, I have just some gray like furry blankets for company, but usually it's just me, my daughter, and my dog. Now over here, guys, I wanted to create like something really graphic, something that really grabbed your attention when you walked in. So when you walk in, the first thing you're really gonna notice are these flowers. These flowers are from Hobby Lobby. I spent about $100 to create this look. What I would like to do in the future is possibly paint this wall like a different color, or either do like a boxwood wall. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, and if I remember, I will insert a picture. But I would love to like paint this wall a different color, paint this mirror silver, maybe find a different piece of furniture for there. I feel like this wall is never complete, but it is what it is for now, okay? But I really love the flowers. Flowers are my favorite. And so this picture is from Homegoods. I love it because, again, it mixes the metals. There's a little bit of silver or grayish tone to this picture, and then there's gold, of course. We got this love sign. This is my Himalaya salt lamp. I love this because at night it really gives the room like a warm glow, and the Himalaya salt helps to purify the air. So love that. Plus it's blingy, okay? Who else has a blingy Himalaya salt lamp, okay? And then guys, this love sign was from Burlington, and it was only $7.99. And this console table, I love it. This console table is actually from Ross. It was only $79.99. And this little cute thing I used to take pictures for my business, and it's just a little stool. It was $27.99 from Hobby Lobby. So moving over here to this wall, I want to tell you guys something. Always make sure you write down your paint color. Make sure they stick a sticker on the can of paint. That way you will know what color your paint is, because for the longest I've had these spots where I had to remount the TV, and unfortunately I don't know what color the paint is, so I haven't been able to touch that up yet. That's a project I'm definitely going to handle very soon, I hope. Guys, so you can see the wires under there and stuff. I'm sorry that I didn't like make this look really cute, but this is kind of a real living room tour, okay? So over there is like my subwoofer for my surround sound. It's really nice to have a small living room space, because I turn on the subwoofer, and when we're listening to The Walking Dead, it's just like amazing, okay? Walking Dead is my favorite TV show, so it's nice to hear the zombies and different sound effects with some bass. This goes on top of this candle over here, which is cool. It has the phases of the moon on it. Anyway, over here, guys, this little floral arrangement came from Homegoods, I believe. Let's see. Okay, no sticker. But I think it came from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. It was one or the other. I really like it because I like to have plants in my space. I haven't been able to keep many of my plants alive besides my palm, which I've had for a year now. But anyway, this is cute. It incorporates some little fall elements. It's sweet. It's girly. It goes around with the little blush theme. This candle was actually in the bathroom, and I relocated it out to here because at night it's just nice to watch TV, have the candles going, and just create like a whole vibe, okay? And then over here, this little dress form, I'm supposed to be selling it, but I don't know, I'm kind of lazy to take pictures of it and put it on like Facebook or something. But for now it works. I bought this necklace from AliExpress. It was a little bit too gaudy for my taste. I thought it would be smaller, but it looks really cute on my dress form, which was $60 from Amazon. And you know, it's just become part of the decor. This little table is a random thing that I got from Hobby Lobby, and usually it just collects junk, so I need to get that listed for sale as well. Over here, guys, the table and chairs. The table is from Target. Love this table. You guys saw in the video that I kind of like dressed it up for you. On a regular day, we do not put pillows and stuff in the chair, especially not with a 9-year-old. There will be food stains and everything. But I want to tell you guys about this rug. This rug is from, oh, a beetle. Oh, yuck. Okay. So this rug is from Burlington Coat Factory. It was only $29.99. What I love about this rug is just like when you're sitting here eating, it's just nice for your feet not to be cold, especially in the winter. And it's like one of those memory foam mats, okay? So it's very soft and plushy, but one day my dog went crazy and like peed all over it. There was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spots on it. So I was like, were we lazy and didn't take her out today? Is she sick? Like, what's going on? And the nice part about this rug was it's really soft. It's not thick at all. It's just like a bath mat, literally. And I was able to freaking throw it in the washing machine and use some vinegar, and I used the Sport Tide. It got the stains out, it got the odor out, and we're able to keep using it. So that made me fall in love with the rug even more. The little plant that's on the table, I stole that from my bathroom. I believe it's from Burlington as well. And this is like just a candle holder. So you guys saw in the video, I kind of like staged the table. And you know, this is just everyday life right now. I don't even have a place for this, so it's just chilling. But anyway, it came from Burlington as well. The chairs are from Amazon. They've been really nice. Having white chairs with a 9-year-old sometimes is a bit of a struggle, but the nice part about these is that they wipe clean. And they wipe clean. I mean, that's all that I can say about them. They wipe clean and they look good when you put pillows in them. So they pretty much go with any style. Are they the most comfortable? No, but they look really good. And they're small because my house is small. So I like things that don't take up a lot of space. Now the pictures are just some inspirational pictures that I got from Homegoods. I really love the messages in them. I really like to keep things around me that make me feel inspired. So I keep those above the dining room table. Then over here on the patio, I just have some gray sheer curtains that I got from Ross. And the rose gold curtains are repeated as well. Over at the fireplace, last video, we couldn't figure out what kind of birds these were. We were like, where are these birds? Comment down below if you know what they are. I still don't. They were $20 each. The home mirrored sign came from Burlington. It was $7.99. And these are 2 shelves that I put together to go over my fireplace. And I believe they were $20 each. I don't really remember. The sconces are from Kirkland's. And this mirror is from Homegoods. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this living room tour. If you did, please comment down below. I also hope that you found the tips that I included in this video helpful. If you'd like to see me make more content like this, show me some love and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love to decorate. Decorating is truly my passion, and it makes me feel so happy and inspired that all of you guys love what I do. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.